Hello to everyone out there. It is I again, Red and Ralph. Today I have built a Lego Gumball machine. This is part 1 of 2-part video, and the second part I am going to show you my machine without its roof. But today I'm just going to show you how it works. There are 4 gumballs, which are actually just marbles, in the top here. There is a button here, and there are 4 coins here. They are just 10 cents pieces, but you can use whatever one you want. Now, here is the slot to put your coin in, like so. Then you can push the button and out pop the marble gumballs. I'm just going to give a heads up now. This gumball machine isn't the best one in the world, but it will do. Sometimes the marbles get stuck. You just need to find the right marbles to fit your very own one. To put them back in, you just slide them up at the top, and you can just become push happy. Now sometimes it jams. You just need to put your finger down through the hole. That way it will become unjammed. Please look out for my next video, just showing you the gumball machine without its roof.